Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a full stack client-side Next.js video converter and editor directly in browser. So we are running this full stack project inside localhost 3000. So we're having a simple interface. So right here you will select your video file. So whichever video file you want to select. As soon as you select the video file, the video will play as you will see in the video player, and you have this option to resize the width height. You can even change the width height. As you can see, frame rate also you can change. You can also change the duration as well, and click on convert. So now you will see FFmpeg WebAssembly will do its job. Once it completes, you will be able to download the output file. So this is actually full stack Next.js project. It's all the components as you see. It's coded inside TypeScript. It's fully customizable. You can purchase the source code. The link is given in the description. So once you purchase, all the source code will get downloaded from Google Drive automatically. And we are using latest version of Next, which is and React. We are also using FFmpeg WebAssembly library for actually the processing. So it actually shows you the actual extension, dimension, size, everything related to the video. And this is actually the library that we are using, which is FFmpeg WebAssembly library, which allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. So as you can see in the console, first of all, it loads the FFmpeg core library, and then it actually starts the processing. The interface is quite simple, as I showed you. So here you need to drag and drop your video. So here you can adjust the width and the height. You can even adjust the duration as well. And then the processing will start. It will also show you the progress bar as well. So once it reaches 100%, your video will get automatically converted. You will see it is successfully trimmed from 6 seconds to 2 seconds, and the resize functionality is also working. So video is successfully resized as well. So in a matter of seconds, it all executes directly in the browser. There is no backend or server-side code. So it all happens directly in the browser. As you can even change the FPS as well. So you can do this unlimited number of times. So once you purchase it, you will also see how I coded the project from scratch using FFmpeg. So if you wanted to make a Next.js video editor project, this will be a good starting point. You can even add more features on top of this project. But the essential feature is remains the same. It actually converts the videos in a matter of seconds. So once you upload this, you can adjust the width and the height, everything, such as the duration as well, frame rate, everything. And this is the main important thing. We also shows the progress bar as well. So if you're interested in this project, you can definitely purchase it, and you can even deploy this. So all these commands are there for deploying, running it, localhost, npm random, and also you can deploy the project as well.